Angad from Viprush Technologies, and we are excited to announce our Python certification program. In this program, we will be starting right from the scratch. So don't worry if you are a beginner. And by the end of this program, we will be working on some fantastic real-world projects. But wait, why Python? Well, there are plenty of reasons for why Python. To mention a few, Python is open source and completely free. Python has a very simple syntax and it is very easy to learn. Python has a huge community support and a large repository of packages. And it gives you full control and flexibility on your project. Python has its applications in almost every field, right from artificial intelligence to financial projections, from bioinformatics to game development. Python has all your needs covered. Python has its applications in artificial intelligence, machine learning, video processing, image processing, security applications, bioinformatics and biomedicine, data science and prediction models. Even Blender uses Python scripting for animation purposes. You also find Python applications in PCB designing and VLSI designing as well. Python has its applications in game development, web development, automation and much more. Python's image processing is used in agriculture, biomedicine, defense, traffic management, product inspection, smart systems and much more. This brings me to a very important point. Programming is not a skill, it is a tool to express your skills. Just like a pencil. Pencil is just a tool. You can use this pencil to draw sketches, write poems or books or anything else. Similarly, programming is a tool to turn your ideas and skills into reality. For more details regarding this online Python certification program, do visit the link given in the description. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hope to see you soon in our online Python certification program.